Hi, I'm going to talk to you about the BCT-2000 today and what it is. The BCT-2000 is a portable piece of test equipment that allows you to monitor every cell within a string or up to 8 parallel strings in a system at the same time. The system is capable of monitoring and doing the IEEE standard test using the IEEE 1188 or 11450 and allows you to do the acceptance test or the performance test or service test for 1188, or you can also do the modified performance test for the 450. In addition to those types of tests, we can allow you to do a charger test that allows you to take a load bank and connect it right up to the battery or to the charger and run it all the way up to current limit to test the charger's performance. One additional test besides that is a rundown test that allows you to control or put the system under load while you're monitoring the battery, so you can monitor the performance of the battery while you're using the system load. The BCT comes in a couple different models, the BCT-128 and the BCT-256. The BCT-128 is 128 monitoring points, and the BCT-256 is 256 data points. The unit interfaces to a load bank, a series of different load banks that can be configured or designed to your specific needs. We have a series of standard load banks that start at 100 amps and go all the way up to 1200 amps, and these can be connected up in series or parallel depending on what your requirements are for your testing. Capacity in general is not something that can be done any other way to achieve a true capacity value. There are a lot of other mechanisms or test methods in the field that allow you to take state of health measurements, and one of the most popular ones now are ohmic measurements, which have developed popularity over the last 10 or 12 years. And these can give you a fixed resistance or impedance, conductance type measurement of the state of health of the battery, but it will not give you a capacity value. Capacity testing is the only true way to get that capacity number out of your battery to indicate exactly how long your battery will run in a particular rate. I have a slide here showing that 3 different discharges from a cell that did fail high resistance. And if you look at the 90-minute rate, you see that we have a 77% capacity. But as you go down to a 30-minute rate, that capacity dropped down to less than 50%. And then if you continue to go down to a 15-minute rate, which is almost 3 or 4 times the current rate of the first one, is less than 10%. So these 3 tests are done on the same cell with the same number of resistance for that cell. So battery capacity testing utilizing the BCT-2000 and external load banks is a surefire way to identify your capacity of your battery. Come visit our website for more information.